Sermon number 239. Members of the Prophet's family. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. They are life for knowledge and death for ignorance. Their forbearance tells you of their knowledge, and their silence of the wisdom of their speaking. They do not go against right nor do they differ, among themselves, about it. They are the pillars of Islam and the asylums of its protection. With them right has returned to its position and wrong has left its place and its tongue is severed from its root. They have understood the religion attentively and carefully, not by mere heresy or from relators, because the relators of knowledge are many but its understanders are few.